guys, again, thank you for all the support. Jay here with Extremity. But we got this beautiful M4 here. Okay, came in for the fleet company. It's got some maintenance that we got to get done. But let me show you what we got. So car's got like 40 thou. It's about time for brakes. You guys gotta see this beautiful interior. Look at that blue, guys. It's just gorgeous. Again, rear is time for brakes. But beautiful ride. So we'll go through and we'll check all the brakes, we'll check tires, we'll check fluids. You know, we'll go down the BMW maintenance list and see what the vehicle needs. Beautiful M4 comp. It's got the carbon fiber hood, roof. Hood. This is just a gorgeous ride. But if you guys need any maintenance, any performance, you know, give us a call, man. 704-340-1991. We're here in Matthews, North Carolina. Okay. We will definitely get you done. Thanks again. Jay with Extremity here. You guys have a good one, baby. Blessings.